BJP President JP Nadda has alleged that Indian National Congress (INC) legitimized illegal migration of foreign militants to India during the party's tenure, and they wholeheartedly endorsed and encouraged the militants to carry on their destabilizing efforts in Manipur. In a letter penned by BJP National President JP Nadda to Congress leader Mallikarjun Kharge, he stated that the ongoing unrest in Manipur was the repercussion of UPA government neglecting critical issue of small states in the 90s. He accused former Union Home Minister P. Chidambaram that the Congress leader signed treaties with foreign militants during his tenure, which led to the current situation in the state. He added that under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the northeastern region has witnessed significant development over the past decade. JP Nadda highlighted that both center and state governments have been working to stabilize the situation and protect civilians since the first violence was reported, and the government has handed over the cases to NIA for thorough investigation.